Right then, let's dive into a fascinating comparison of two of the world's most influential nations, India and China. Two ancient lands, steeped in history and tradition, now modern tech giants, pushing the boundaries of innovation and technology. They're at the forefront of the digital revolution. Both are absolutely massive, sprawling across continents with billions of people, each nation a world unto itself, and cultures stretching back millennia. Their heritage shapes their present and future. Today, everyone seems to have a smartphone, a window to the world in their hands. Cat videos connecting people across borders with shared moments of levity, 5-year plans, ambitious strategies driving development and progress, and all. The digital age has truly arrived. It's a fascinating blend, a tapestry woven with threads of the past and future, the incredibly old and the startlingly new side by side, a juxtaposition that defines these nations. So what are we poking our noses into today? What secrets do these giants hold? Their technology, the engines of their economic growth, engineering, the backbone of their modern infrastructure, and how they keep their streets tidy. Cleanliness is next to godliness, after all. We'll also try to understand how people their view, how they perceive the world around them, life, their values and their aspirations, order, the systems and structures that govern their societies, and getting things done, how they innovate, create, and build. It's a friendly showdown, a comparison, not a competition, no fisticuffs, just a respectful examination of different approaches, just a curious glance over the garden fence, a chance to learn from each other. Expect a few surprises, some unexpected twists and turns, maybe a chuckle at the quirks and eccentricities of human behavior, and hopefully well, I never knew that, a moment of genuine discovery. These are two countries doing things on a scale that's hard to comprehend. The sheer magnitude is astounding, sometimes brilliantly achieving remarkable feats of innovation and progress, sometimes in ways that make you wonder if they've read the instructions. A bit of chaos can be charming, right? But that's the fun, seeing how different people tackle the same problems. There's more than one way to skin a cat, right? Spanners down. Let's begin this journey of discovery. China does technology and engineering on a grand, rapid scale. Massive infrastructure projects, cities rising overnight. It's like they have a national Build It Now button. Their approach is top-down, a grand plan, and everyone pulls together to make it happen. It's efficient, almost machine-like, though you wonder about the individual cogs. Results? Impressive, mostly. Now hop over to India. Here, innovation feels more organic, bottom-up. Software is king. India's IT sector keeps the world's digital wheels turning. Quiet brilliance, often powered by chai. Physical engineering in India, it gets done, but with more discussion, debate, and yes, more tea. Things take time, not slow, just thoroughly considered. Sometimes it's about finding the right spanner, and that can take a while. China's high-speed trains, a marvel of modern engineering, sleek, aerodynamic designs that cut through the air, fast, blurring the lines between cities and countryside, connecting megacities in a flash. These trains are more than just transport. They're a symbol of China's rapid development. It's the kind of transport that makes you sigh at your own local service, isn't it? Offering a glimpse into what efficient, comfortable travel could truly be. Chinese smart cities are packed with tech, a digital nervous system woven into the urban fabric. Cameras, watching over every street corner, sensors, gathering data on everything from air quality to traffic flow, data everywhere. It's a city that's constantly learning and adapting. Life is smoother, more efficient, though you might feel a bit observed. The trade-off between convenience and privacy is a constant debate. The ambition is undeniable, a testament to what can be achieved with focused vision and massive investment. In India, the big thing is code, the digital language of the future, millions of lines powering the world. From apps to operating systems, Indian coders are at the forefront. Bangalore and Hyderabad are global IT hubs, attracting talent and investment from around the globe, full of digital wizards, crafting the software that shapes our lives. The offices may look ordinary, but the impact is extraordinary. Indian tech solutions are used everywhere, from Silicon Valley to Singapore. India has smart city plans, too, Ambitious projects aimed at modernizing urban infrastructure, integrated transport, making commutes easier and more efficient, smart grids, ensuring reliable and sustainable power, efficient services, streamlining government processes and improving citizen engagement. Progress unfolds in bursts, sometimes fast, sometimes slow, always with creative problem-solving. It's a dynamic and evolving landscape. A dash of Jugaad and a lot of meetings, but the intent is clear. A smarter future, one bite at a time. A future where technology empowers and improves lives. Cleanliness, let's compare. China's big cities, especially the new parts, are almost unnervingly spotless. Public squares gleam, pavements are pristine, armies of cleaners in uniforms sweep, mop, and polish relentlessly. It's a constant, organized battle against urban mess. Now, India. Some places are immaculate. Temples, many homes, sacred spaces. But public space is more varied. It's a work in progress. An ongoing conversation about where things belong. There's a certain acceptance of ambient entropy, dust, stray bags, a wandering cow. It's not malicious, just part of the vibrant daily tapestry. Adds character, some say. Others reach for the hand sanitizer. Perspective is everything. India's Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, a massive undertaking aimed at transforming the nation's landscape. Clean India mission. A vision of a cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable future for all its citizens. Launched with fanfare, capturing the imagination of the country. The initial momentum was palpable, and celebrity brooms. High-profile endorsements brought attention and a sense of national unity to the cause. The goal, a multifaceted approach to improve the quality of life for millions. Sanitation providing access to safe and hygienic toilet facilities. Hygiene, promoting practices like hand washing to prevent the spread of diseases, and reducing open defecation, a crucial step towards a healthier society. More toilets, a tangible sign of progress in infrastructure development. More awareness, definite progress. Education campaigns played a vital role in shifting mindsets. But changing habits, deeply ingrained over generations, is no easy feat. In a billion-strong country, the scale of the challenge is immense. That's tough. Overcoming infrastructural and societal hurdles requires sustained effort. It's like getting everyone, a monumental task of coordination and persuasion. At a family gathering, to agree on a single course of action. To recycle properly, a simple act, yet a complex undertaking when applied nationwide. Valiant but mixed results. Progress is visible, but challenges remain. Still, every journey towards a cleaner India begins with individual action. Starts with a single sweep, a symbol of commitment and collective responsibility. China's patriotic health campaigns, a different approach to public health and sanitation, were about eradicating pests, a focused and targeted strategy, and boosting public hygiene, prioritizing preventative measures for a healthier population. It was tied to national pride, fostering a sense of collective responsibility, and implemented with directness, a top-down approach with clear directives. If you were told to clean, you cleaned. Compliance was key to the campaign's success. Today it's about evolving from strict mandates to a more nuanced approach. Civic duty, encouraging voluntary participation in maintaining cleanliness. Public order, maintaining a sense of structure and discipline in public spaces. And maintaining a shiny image, projecting a positive image to the world. Rules abound, clear guidelines for public behavior. Don't spit, a basic rule of hygiene and public etiquette. Don't litter, keeping public spaces free from trash and debris. Or face fines, enforcement mechanisms to ensure compliance. Community monitoring, a system of surveillance and accountability, keeps streets tidy, a testament to the effectiveness of the system. Effective, if less spontaneous, a structured approach with less room for individual initiative than India's approach. Two different paths towards a common goal. In China, order rules. People queue, follow systems, and progress is a national sport: faster, bigger, better. There's a hum of constant activity, a drive to achieve and be the best. It's structured, almost like a well-written manual. In India, order is more of a suggestion. Chaos isn't bad, it's just another kind of organization. Amidst the bedlam, things get done, trains arrive, deals are struck, food is served. It's a daily miracle of improvisation and connection, often with cheerful honking. The Indian phrase, "Chalta hai," it'll do, captures this spirit. It allows for flexibility, finding a way even when the official way is blocked. Not ideal for precision engineering, but perfect for navigating India's beautiful chaos. Let's talk Jugaad, India's art of frugal, ingenious solutions. It's everywhere. Motorbikes carrying mountains, bottles turned into funnels, washing machines churning lassi. It's creative reinvention, the spirit of the resourceful underdog. In India, if something breaks, someone will fix it, with a bag of tools and quiet confidence. Now China. Here it's all about the plan. Meticulous design, strategy and execution. Everything has its place and there's a solution for every problem. If something breaks, it's often replaced. Efficient, quick, minimal fuss. India fixes, China replaces. Both approaches work, but there's a certain satisfaction in inspired tinkering. What could these giants learn from each other? India could borrow China's speed and decisiveness in building infrastructure. Imagine Indian cities with smooth roads and punctual public transport, and maybe a bit more organized cleanliness. The challenge: adopt efficiency without losing India's unique charm. Now, China could use a dash of India's Jugaad, flexibility and bottom-up innovation. Not everything needs a 5-year plan. Sometimes the best solutions are improvised. A little more Chalta hai could temper China's relentless pursuit of perfection. Life isn't always a straight high-speed rail line. Sometimes it's a winding lane, with unexpected views and maybe a cow or two. So, there you have it. India and China, two fascinating, ever-changing places. You can't really get them from your armchair. You have to go, immerse yourself. In China, prepare to be amazed by scale, ambition, and futuristic infrastructure. The food is incredible. The public looks surprisingly good. In India, prepare for an assault on the senses: colors, sounds, vibrancy, and warmth. Anything feels possible, even if it takes longer and involves animated discussion. The famous head wobble says it all. Ultimately, they're wildly different, and that's what makes them brilliant. Two blueprints for building modern nations on ancient foundations. Should you pack your bags? Absolutely. Bring curiosity, patience, humor, and maybe some hand sanitizer just in case, for adventures.